Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by checking essentials. Update your phone and the Roblox app, then connect to stable Wi-Fi. This prevents streaming glitches. Once done, open Roblox and immediately check the in-game settings, raise both sound and music sliders, and toggle any mute switches. Next, force close the app and disconnect any Bluetooth audio devices so output defaults to the phone speaker. Do this now. It eliminates common conflicts before you proceed to deeper fixes. Now clear corrupted app storage, which often blocks audio. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Roblox, then Storage and clear cache. If that fails, clear data. On iOS, offload the app from storage or remove and reinstall to purge cached files. Reboot your phone after removing data so system audio services reinitialize correctly. Then open Roblox, join a game, and test audio. This resets corrupted state and resolves most. The last step is a clean reinstall. Uninstall Roblox completely, reboot your device, then reinstall from the official App Store. When you open it, grant any requested permissions for storage and audio. Those allow the app to manage sound files. Log into your account, join a server, and verify audio. If it still fails, try a different account or switch networks to determine whether the problem is account-specific or network-related. That single troubleshooting tip tells you what to fix next.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.